So when we talk about lines in AutoCAD, we can see right here in the draw panel, we have the very first command for the draw panel, we have line. So to invoke it, you can either left click it and your line is ready. So you have to specify the first point, or else if you type in LINE or simply L and press enter, the command is active on its own. Alright, now let's see how we can utilize the line command. So let's go to our layer properties and go for walls, right? Let's do another drawing right here on the left side. We have I have already made a floor plan, and let's do another floor plan using some lines. So let's select it or simply press L and enter, and let's start from here. So let's left click and go towards right and 15 feet, enter, then come down to approximately, let's say, 25 feet. Right now make sure your polar tracking is on and your dynamic input is on. Alright, let's move towards left for a bit of let's say 5 feet. Alright, let's move down again for 10 feet. Let's go left for about 22 feet. Let's go up 6 feet. Let's go left 3 feet, up again 6 feet, left 3 feet, up again. We have to go for about 12 feet, and then towards right we can go let's say 10 feet and down 2 feet towards right. We come and we try to snap this point and then track it down, so it's 8 feet. Then we click over here and press enter. So this is pretty much our boundary wall, or you can say the outer walls of our drawing. Very easy to utilize the line command. You can simply press L and enter to invoke it, or simply left click it to invoke the line command. Let's see what we can do with this is we can do an offset. So we have alright, so let's select everything. You can left click here and do a window selection, then go for offset from here. Offset distance should be 6 inches, so if you click 6 and press enter, it's already counted, right? So I want to select this. Alright. Now one thing we have to do is, before offsetting, see these lines are individual. If we select this is individual. Then if we select here, this is also new. So we have to join all these lines. How do we do that? We left click and select everything, then type J, and you will see a join command. Press enter. Now this whole thing is a single entity, right? Now to offset this, select offset, specify the offset, so 6 inches, and then select your object. You can go either in or out, so I'll go inside, right? Nothing nothing so complicated. You can see very easy. Simply using the line command, I draw the outer walls and then I offset everything, right? So that's it in the line command. You can do the same thing using polyline also. So I will tell you the polyline in the next video.